The area that I was surprised, I watched one of the episodes of the Eras Tour. And money can't stop circadian rhythms. So I look at the 10-gram dose or a little bit more as kind of being like a safety net. If you're only taking 3 to 5, you definitely will get muscle benefits. Will you eventually get brain benefits? There's a small chance, but taking a little bit more, and remember, the cool thing for your viewers, we're not talking about protein. If we were talking about protein, the entire thing would be hundreds of grams. We're only talking about maybe 20 grams, and that may only need to be done acutely. When you're really going through metabolic stress. Look at university students. 5 final exams, hardly any sleep for a week. This is where this would come into play. I look at flight attendants or pilots. They'll fly from Canada to Europe, and then they go back home. Their circadian rhythms are all over the place. So I think of all these scenarios. The area that I was surprised, I watched one of the episodes of the Eras Tour. And, money can't stop circadian rhythms. So as much as Taylor Swift would have, I was marveled by 3 hours of performance in 90 to 100,000 people of all her running around. And then when you see her, they're totally gassed. They finish the concert, they're totally mentally exhausted. That's a situation where this could come into enhanced performance. Then you think of celebrities, you think of athletes. A lot of high pressure things, like imagine being in the World Cup final, the pressure, the mental capacity, that's where creatine seems to come into play. There's a lot of nuances.